And he says, how can you move to that level? If you have faith as small as the mustard seed, which actually becomes a very big tree, and the trees and the birds come to the tree and rest there, then they go away, replenish themselves. It will be also for you. If you have that faith, you can say to this mountain, move from here, and it will move. Who's going to move it? It is the Lord, but you have faith in Him that He can do it through you, with you, and in you. So that is what is important for us. Edith Stein, when she was going through all of this, it was a struggle. And most of us will actually struggle when things are like that. But you also know that through the struggle, you have been saying everything to the Lord, and He's been listening to you, and He's been answering your prayers when you have that faith as little as the mustard seed. Let it be completely pure, and let us trust Him fully. Let us join our hands together, close our eyes. Every breath He is with us. Every breath we can be with Him. And if it is in His name, then you know that nothing will touch you internally or externally, because you have given Him first preference. You have given Him the first place in your life. And you are focused on Him rather than on yourself or on the things around you. Lord, we beg you for this grace, and we thank you that you have already been giving it to us in the measure that we have our faith and openness to you to lead us.